This is the biggest mosque in Southeast Asia, and tonight so many people will be spending the whole night in here.
Thousands of men and women are gathered in Istiqlal Mosque in Jakarta. The atmosphere is incredible. Everyone is absorbed in worship and prayers. I cannot believe it. It's almost midnight and people are still coming. It's because tonight is Laylatul Qadar, the night of power, when Muslims around the world honor the night when the Prophet Muhammad received his first revelation.
You can feel the spiritual energy rising. Everyone is preparing for the big night.
Imagine it's 2 a.m. now and the mosque is full. Can you feel the energy? Everyone is gathered in devotion in this night of peace and blessings. May it be blessings for all of us too.